Students, in this video we will discuss about the pattern of magnetic field around a bar magnet. We have learned so far that magnetic field is invisible and it can be represented with the help of magnetic field lines, which are imaginary lines. Now let us see how we are going to draw these magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. For this, let us perform an activity. In this activity, I need a cardboard, and on this cardboard, I have fixed a white sheet of paper with the help of any adhesive material. Then I have kept a rectangular bar magnet in the center of this sheet. I have sprinkled some iron fillings on this cardboard uniformly. Once I sprinkle the iron fillings, I am going to tap this board gently. The moment I will tap this board, I will find that iron fillings will align themselves in a pattern around this bar magnet. Students, this pattern in which these iron fillings align themselves is the pattern of magnetic field around the bar magnet. That means the pattern in which these iron fillings are aligned gives us or represents the magnetic field around a bar magnet. If I join all these dots basically are iron fillings, right? This is your bar magnet, this is your cardboard, and these are iron fillings which have aligned themselves in a pattern. If I join these iron dots, I'll get a pattern as shown in this figure. You can see that the magnetic field lines around the bar magnet are closed and continuous curves. They are continuous curves. And you can see also find that these magnetic field lines are emerging from the North Pole and merging at the South Pole. This we have taken as a convention that magnetic field lines emerge from north and merge at south. जितनी ज़्यादा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस पास होंगे, आप देख रहे हैं कि नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ एंड जो है आपका नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल, यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेंसिटी या मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस ज़्यादा हैं. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ भी ज़्यादा होगी. कल हमने पढ़ा था मैग्नेट की जो मैग्नेटिक अट्रैक्शन की जो एबिलिटी है वो कंसंट्रेटेड होती है उसके एंड्स पे. वाई? बिकॉज मोर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस आर प्रेजेंटेड. सो magnetic field lines are closed and continuous curve. They emerge from north and merge at south pole, and they are crowded at the ends of the magnet. जितनी ज्यादा ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस पास होंगी उतनी ज्यादा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ होगी. दैट मीन्स द डिग्री ऑफ क्लोजनेस ऑफ दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस गिव्स अस द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस बहुत पास है तो यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है. यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आप दूर जाते जाएंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस कम होती जाएंगी, उनके बीच में डिस्टेंस भी बढ़ता जाएगा. दैट मीन्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ भी कम होती जा रही है. This is one method of drawing magnetic field around a bar magnet with the help of iron fillings. There is one more method, students, which is given in activity 13.3 of your NCERT book. For this method, I need a magnetic compass. Let us see how we are going to draw magnetic field lines around the bar magnet with the help of a magnetic compass. Student, similar like activity 13.2, I am going to take a cardboard and I am going to fix a white sheet of paper on it with the help of adhesive material. I am going to keep this bar magnet in the center of the sheet and I am going to mark its boundary. Now I am going to keep this magnetic compass near the north pole of this magnet. We have learned that like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. So the moment I'll keep this magnetic compass near the north pole of the bar magnet, I'll find that its south pole will get attracted towards the north, That means it will point towards the North Pole, and its North Pole will point away from the North Pole of the bar magnet. Now, the most important thing to note down here is, I am going to remove this compass. Before I remove it, I am going to mark the positions or the points in which the north and south ends of the magnetic compass are pointing. So I will mark these points and I am going to remove this compass. I am going to replace this compass again in such a way that the south pole of the compass now occupies the position which was previously occupied by the north pole of the compass. Please pay attention. हम अब कंपास को दोबारा से रखेंगे इस तरह से ताकि जो कंपास का अब जो साउथ पोल है वो उस पोजीशन पे आए जहां पे हमारे कंपास का पहले नॉर्थ पोल आ रहा था. हमने पोजीशंस मार्क करी थी नॉर्थ और साउथ की, तो हम उसको दोबारा प्लेस करेंगे सच दैट द साउथ एंड और साउथ पोल ऑफ द कंपास ऑक्यूपाइज द पोजीशन विच वाज प्रीवियसली ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ द कंपास. And similarly, in this way, I am going to proceed step by step till I reach the south pole of the bar magnet. Step by step आप proceed करते जाइए. You will find that the direction of compass will change accordingly, and you will continue this till you reach the south end or south pole of the bar magnet. Repeat this again and again. You can draw as many lines as you can. Now you are going to, what we have to do is, now we have to join all these points. जो points हमने mark करे थे उनको हम join करेंगे, and I'll find that I will get a closed curve similar to the curve which I have drawn in the above figure. So we can draw magnetic field lines around a bar magnet with the help of iron fillings as well as with the help of a magnetic compass. Students, if suppose I have to find out the direction of magnetic field at a given point. We have learned that magnetic field lines emerge from north and merge at south. But अगर मुझे किसी एक particular point पे बताना है, suppose I have to find the direction of magnetic field at this point. So how I am going to find it out? For that, I am going to keep my magnetic compass at that point. मैं अपने magnetic compass को इस point पे रख दूंगा जिस direction में मेरे मैग्नेटिक कंपास का नॉर्थ पोल पॉइंट करेगा, दैट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट द गिवन पॉइंट. आई रिपीट, द डायरेक्शन इन विच द नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक कंपास पॉइंट्स इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट द गिवन पॉइंट. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस इज द पैटर्न ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड अ बार magnet.